Hello everyone, happy Wednesday. Before we start drawing, I first would like to give a shout out to the Beaver Country Day School in Brookline, Massachusetts. I had a week-long residency there and I visited two more times. I love being there. Speaking about love, I also love their graphics. As a former graphic designer, I appreciate nicely designed things. Look at this amazing shirt, this notebook, pen. I love their design. I also would like to say hello and thanks to their middle school students because I know that they drew with me through these online drawing sessions of mine. So thank you, Beaver Country Day School. All right, so let's choose something to mash up today. And I received a whole bunch more through YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So keep sending them. I believe that we have about 120. So I'll add the new ones. Oh, one fell. Okay, I think we'll just use one that fell. So this is from, let me see. Oh, it's from Dexter from Medford, Massachusetts. So I know Dexter has been drawing a lot lately, and I think he's drawn every single one of them. And he wants us to draw a peacock and French fries. Wow, this is going to be super fun. Thank you, Dexter. All right, let's start drawing. I will turn on my projector, and then I'll go here to my document camera. And I'm using a nice new fat Sharpie this time. I'm so excited. All right, remember, you don't erase, because everything you create will be perfect and beautiful all the time. And I draw really fast, so please pause the video if you need to, and also have fun. And you don't have to copy what I'm drawing exactly the way I'm doing it, okay? So be as creative as you can. So let me think, how are we going to do peacock and French fry? I haven't done this before. Why don't we start with the French fry container. So draw a line and draw two other lines that kind of point at the bottom for the French fry box. Then close the gap. Doesn't have to be perfect. If you'd like, you can even write the word fries. Speaking about logos, like Beaver Country Day logo, I'm in that zone right now. All right, so let's draw the peacock's head. Let's draw sort of like an elegant head. So draw sort of like a letter S peeking out, or like a hook. This kind of looks like a hanger. Again, pause if you need to. Let's draw the beak. So draw this sort of like Pac-Man mouth right now. Then make the beak pointy and kind of long, and add another detail in the middle. So I said, let's make sort of like this elegant neck, and close the gap right there. Okay, what other peacock details? Oh yeah, they have this sort of fun, sort of feather-like things in the top of their head. So draw 3 circles, and connect them to the head. Okay? Then we'll draw the fun eyes. So draw one big eye, and the smaller one. In the pupils, you may remember how I do them. Draw smaller circles doing the bigger circles, and add even a smaller one, and make them look like that. It doesn't have to look exactly like mine. Okay? All right, let's add, I guess, wings. So add sort of like a petal-like shape on each side. Again, if you need to pause the video, go for it. You can tell mine's not perfect. This is bigger than the other one, but that's okay. Then add some feather details. Maybe 2 layers. Okay. If you want, add some lines. Dun dun. And then let's add some funny skinny legs. So add 2 sort of like sticks, and add maybe the sort of pointy letter W. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect, or it doesn't even have to look exactly like mine. Okay, let's add the French fries. So maybe we should add some really long rectangular shapes for the fries. So add as many long rectangular shapes for the French fries. Again, I'm drawing this really fast, and I'm actually just making this up as I go along, so I hope this comes out good. Alright, let's add some depth to the French fry. So add an angled line, then draw straight down, angled line, draw straight down, angled line, straight down, angled, straight line, angled, line, angled, straight line, angled, straight line. See it? There you go. I do that really fast, so I'll pause a little bit. Okay, now let's add some of the kind of peacock feather details. So add a circle and a line. Circle, line, 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 circle, line. Okay, and if you want, add some French fry texture on the side of the depth part of the fries. There you go. Salt and pepper. Yeah, it looks really cute. And I will sign this and mail this to Dexter. Thank you very much for your suggestion, Dexter. Alright, so Dexter, when you get a chance, please email your address to smileyb@bataclan.com. There you go. And if you haven't done so, you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button so you'll know a new episode is released, because I'm doing this every single day. And I think I finally have the background set. I can see myself, and I'm really happy with this. And this is it. Happy social distancing, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you very much. Bye.